Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating the problem so you fix the right thing. Visually inspect the Type-C plug and adapter housing. Nip bent pins and burns are immediate clues. Once done, swap in a known good cable and charger to determine whether the adapter or cable is at fault. Next, use a multimeter to check voltage and continuity. This tells you if power rails are intact and whether PD negotiation ever begins, which guides the next repairs. You now open the adapter to access the PCB, using plastic pry tools to avoid cuts and shorting. Once open, inspect solder joints and tiny components for cracked solder, burnt resistors, or swollen capacitors. These failures are common. If you find cold joints, reflow them with a temperature-controlled iron. Replace any burned MOSFET or caps with identical specs to maintain protection circuits. Make sure to mark polarity and orientation, so the adapter behaves safely once reassembled. You finish by reassembling the adapter, ensuring shielding and strain relief sit correctly and pins align with the Type-C shell. Once closed, verify output with a multimeter, then plug into a low-value device to confirm PD handshake and stable voltage. Watch for rising temperatures. If the adapter does not negotiate PD or gets hot, stop using it. Those are signs of safety circuit failure. In that case, replace the adapter instead of continuing repairs to avoid risk.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.